Let's make an easy cucumber salad. Let's start with washing the cucumber and removing the ends. Then we'll cut it into about the same size pieces and add it to a large salad bowl. Next, let's wash a green onion, cut it and add it to the same bowl with the cucumber. If you prefer, you could always substitute the green onion with red onion. Now let's wash the tomatoes and cut them into about the same size pieces. The tomatoes used in this recipe did not have a tough core, so we did not remove the core. However, if the tomatoes are using happen to have a tough core, then remove before cutting the tomatoes. And then let's add the chopped tomatoes to the same bowl with the cucumber and green onion. Now let's chop the parsley next. Here we are using Italian flat leaf parsley, and once we are done cutting it, let's add it to that same bowl. Now let's add a simple Italian dressing to the salad. First we'll start with the extra virgin olive oil, then we'll add the red wine vinegar. Now to season the salad, we'll add sea salt, black pepper, and dried oregano. Now let's give it a good mix and let the salad sit for about 10 minutes. This gives it a chance for the flavors to marinate together. Buon appetito!